morning everybody, Crypto Strang here. Just going to go over Kucoin, an exchange I've used basically since launch in September 2017. I just realised I'd never done a video about Kucoin, and I've mentioned it quite a few times for holding some of the altcoins that other exchanges don't hold. It does hold many now. And basically Kucoin this week have emailed me about NFTs. They saw my video on YouTube, they've emailed me, said, "Do you realise we're doing an NFT with Dego now?" So I just want to give a quick overview of Kucoin. Obviously, it's been in the news a lot lately after the hack. We'll talk about the hack later. But what I like about Kucoin is excellent customer service, the low fees, and the fact they do have the insurance similar to what Binance have with their SAFU. Kucoin have the same, so you'd never lose your assets. They're actually totally safe. So it's Kucoin. So on the front page, if you want to join Kucoin, as we go over it, the link's below. Entirely up to you if you use my link. You don't have to. But if you do join it, please make sure you join the genuine Kucoin.com and not some phishing site. Now, what I like Kucoin do differently, when you log on to Kucoin, you have your unique phrase, something that you've made up. So you know you're on the genuine Kucoin. It's your own private word, for instance. So I think it's great. So if you sign up here, go through, obviously a strong password. Make sure it's very strong. Always use Google 2FA. You also get an email every time you log on to Kucoin, so you would know if someone had tried to log on somehow. But if you've got all the elements of security covered, you are very secure on Kucoin. Again, nothing on here I'll talk about is financial advice. You have to do your own due diligence. It's entirely up to you what projects you hold on exchanges. Me personally, I think a lot of these exchanges are very secure because of the insurance backup and also the 2FA. It's entirely up to you. So see if you want to hold them on there. So go over to Kucoin here. As you can see on the front page here, the accumulated transaction volumes, huge amount. We're over 89 billion now. The accumulated number of trades, we're approaching 700 million. So to sum up, Kucoin, it's a global cryptocurrency exchange, obviously, for numerous digital assets and cryptocurrencies. It was launched in September 2017. I basically joined it on launch. I saw all the hype around it, and I'd recently joined Binance a couple months before that, and I wanted to hold the coins at the time, because at that time, back in sort of 2017, even going into early 2018, I didn't have any on Ledger Nanos, Trezor wallets or hard wallets. I held all mine on exchanges. Now over time, I've decided I want majority of mine on, as I say, the Ledgers or the Trezors. It's just me personally. I do own cryptos on exchanges, but not a huge amount. I'd like to keep it quite limited. That's just my personal opinion. But as I say, I think they're very secure. But as I say, it's entirely up to you. And Kucoin over time has grown to one of the most popular crypto exchanges, and already has over 5 million registered users from 200 plus countries and regions. According to Alexa traffic ranking, Kucoin's monthly unique visit ranks the top 5 globally. So they've done very well. They were lucky when they sort of launched, was as we was approaching the bull run, and obviously the latter part, the last quarter of 2017 was absolutely massive in crypto. Everyone was jumping in. So December 2017 and January 2018 was the height of the bull run. Crazy prices, as we know. So it's known as the People's Exchange. Kucoin operates in Seychelles. It's based in Hong Kong, providing users with multi-language and 24/7 customer service. I must admit, it's very good customer service. I've used them a few times. It's available 24/7. It's got via Telegram and WeChat. So if you have any questions, you can rest assured that you will be helped quickly. Kucoin has established local communities in South Korea, Japan, Spain, Italy, Vietnam, Turkey, Russia, India, and other regions, providing users with the most local services. They state currently 1 out of every 4 crypto holders in the world is with Kucoin. They've launched their own app on iOS and Android. November 2018 was great for them, when Kucoin announced $20 million round A funding from IDG Capital and Madrid Partners. So obviously done very well. They've also got their own coin as well. Their own token is like KCS, Kucoin shares, and they offer you an opportunity to generate a passive income by distributing 50% of their commissions. These commissions are paid daily, and you receive them immediately. It's possible to trade via the website, but obviously also the app as well. So once you're logged on, this is the overview. So I don't own much on these exchanges. The difference with Kucoin and other exchanges is you have different accounts for trading. So you have your main account and your trading account. Now, some people emailed me and said, "Hey, I've just deposited whatever Bitcoin, but there's nothing on my account to trade." Well, because you have to transfer it. So, for example, if I just hit my main account you'll see there. So, for instance, let's say I want to transfer some energy. You basically there see it, main account to trading account, energy. You could put the whole lot of whatever amount you want. Hit confirm. That would be in your trading accounts. Then you could trade your energy for other coin you wanted. Obviously, you'd have to go back to Bitcoin and then to whatever coin, because that's Bitcoin's the most trading pairs. So it's pretty straightforward. Now, this is the actual main trading part. Sorry, if I just quickly go back here, quickly go through all these. So obviously you've got the markets. You buy crypto, P2P fiat trade, bank transfer, PayPal, SEPA, Interact, credit, debit card. Obviously the trade bit we're going to show you now. The futures, you've got your earn, you've got your lend side of it. So I say Binance do a lot of this as well. You've got the PoolX, staking, pure mining, which we'll go through in a minute. It's got many sides to it. It's got the soft staking, the Kucoin bonus, hold KCS and get the Kucoin bonus. So if you hold KCS, they give you some more KCS, obviously limited amount as a bonus. The KU chain, you've got their mainnet coming soon. But there's so many parts of it, and say the PoolX is like it's got double rules. The first lockup mining node can obtain staking profit plus POL mining reward. You've got the high flexibility, freely choose two kinds of locked up products, fixed or flexible, and the locked up products can be also immediately end the locked up status through trading the liquidity trading market anytime. It's got support for multiple currencies, Atom, Tron, KZS, One, other mainstream currencies, and it initiated the mechanism of soft staking. Got so much stuff here, part of it, on here, KU Cloud, it's the world-class architecture stated, high scalability, low latency, full stack, API interface support, and complete risk control system. Got the safety, complete tech risk management system, main site 1,000-day operation, 0 incidents, express deployment, 1 click, launch in 72 hours, high market depth, technical adaptation. They've got so many parts to this. They've got Kucoin futures, more reasonable mechanisms to prevent contract being liquidated, open, transparent, and it's like the world's first light version. And just go through here and you can just see all the different part of it. There's obviously the light side of it, so it's got many assets, and the spot trading. So I'm not a big trader, really not. It's got like the advanced API, offers an easy and efficient way to develop and secure programmatic trading strategy, efficient matching engine, various order types. You've got your offers limit, your stop, your market, your post only iceberg orders. High quality assets, over 200 global high quality blockchain projects with more than 400 trading pairs, high liquidity, up to 10% leverage. I personally don't do leverage trading, it's just not for me, but again, it's up to you. And obviously got multiple fiat gateways. You can buy cryptos with fiat through Simplex banks or OTC, supporting a number of, they've got US dollar, Japanese yen, euro, GBP, and various others. So once you've bought either with your fiat or you've got your Bitcoin, you've got it on your trading account, then once you're on your trading account, you can go and do what you want. So it's very, very similar to all the other exchanges. When you log on for the first time, you have to put a 6 PIN, again, prove it's you, more levels of security, just to start trading, so keep that PIN secure. You go on here, now for instance, you can see all the different pairs. Now obviously the alts, you've got with Ethereum, different ones, etc. You've got your DeFi, you've got your NFT we spoke about. All the different ones. Let's see how popular that's getting, can't you? KCS, these are the projects you can get with KCS. Bitcoin's one we're going to show you now. So, Bitcoin, let's buy them. I was going to put let's put energy in. Let's get some energy. So, I don't have much Bitcoin on here, as you can see on my trading account. NRG. So, you can see there with energy, I can get it with Ethereum pair or Bitcoin pair. So, let's go with Bitcoin. So you scroll across here, it's obviously all the different stop limit, market limits. The quickest way is literally just hit there. You've got your price. I'm going to buy all the BTC I've got on my trading account. I'm going to use to buy energy. Now I could just buy 50% of the Bitcoin on there, but I don't know much on there. I do believe energy. I know I've spoken about it quite a few times. Last June it was $10. At the moment it's just like $1.15 with the mainnet launch and their very, very excellent roadmap. I really do have high hopes for energy. I know I've done videos top 10. It's always been in my top 10. I think it's a wonderful project. So if I just put in 100%. Now why isn't that let me do that? I'm not sure why it's not let me do that. I know why. Silly me. Because I don't actually have any BTC on there, so I thought I had some BTC on my trading account, so I don't. So what you could do, I'll just show you the quick way of doing it. Let's just quickly show you this. Let's just do, I'll just quickly show you the other way. So I thought I had some Bitcoin on my trading account, but I don't. So anyway, I'll show you the other way around, selling energy to Bitcoin. So again, you go on here, I've hit that price, 100% of my energy on my trading account, sell NRG. Okay, so it's done that. You've placed order successfully, limit sell NRG BTC. Now you can see at the bottom, NRG limited order, the price I've got it at. I've sold 40 energy, filled at the moment. So at the moment, none of it's gone through the trading. Depends how much is being sold out there. It's obviously not being happening at the moment. Over time, that'd be filled and there'd be 40 energy sold to Bitcoin. So that's quite simple. Again, for instance, once that 40 energy has been sold to Bitcoin, I could then do the role reverse, Bitcoin by energy. So simple as that, really. It's a very, very straightforward process. Either way you want to do it. Obviously, make sure you got some Bitcoin like myself. Though I thought I had some on there anyway. I'm getting old. So that's quite straightforward. In a minute, then 40 energy will be sold. I'll have some Bitcoin on my trading, and then I could buy any products I want. You know, I'll probably just go and get some more Amizago. I'll just buy it just for the sake of this video. I've sold some energy. I might just buy my energy back. I really like Amizago. So again, Amizago, Ethereum, BTC. So you can do any trading pair you want, and that's how easy it is to buy it. So very soon that'll be filled, and then I've got some Bitcoin to buy some other coins. Okay, also got Atom, so many great projects on here. Coty, another one there.